Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to record videos on TikTok with no hands on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the TikTok app, and then as you can see on the bottom mid, there is a plus button. Click on the plus button and your camera will show up. So, in order for you to record without using your hand or long pressing it, you just simply tap the record button once. Don't press it any longer. Also, let's say for example, you want a timer because you want to record yourself while doing a dance, but you have to go farther from the camera. So, you just click the timer button on the right side and then start countdown. And that's how you record a video on TikTok without using your hand. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.